Hi, in this video I want to say how you can calculate the growth of your child. How longer is your child? In year 2017 your child is 70 centimeter, and in the year 2020 after 3 years your child is 90 centimeter. We want to know how much longer she is in percentage. We can find the answer in just 4 steps. In step 1 we click here on the start menu and type Excel, or we have Excel on your desktop. In 2017 she was 70 centimeter. In 2020 she was, or she is, 90 centimeter. This is step 2. In step 3, you place equal sign on your keyboard. Then you click on this year, place minus sign on your keyboard, and the first of the period, or the previous year. You push enter button on your keyboard. This is the difference. Okay, this is a simple example. Then we click again, we place again equal sign, and we select the difference, divide by. This is on your keyboard next to the shift button, and you select the height of your child in 2017. Again enter on your keyboard. Okay, this is 28% of change. We just click percent on home tab. You can see it is rounded at 29% of growth. So your daughter is 29% longer. You can use this method for any other variable.